All right, power number one, your electric brain. So, we're starting our exploration right at the very top of your head. Your brain is the control center of your entire superpowered body. And get this, it runs entirely on electricity. It holds about 100 billion tiny cells called neurons. Whenever you do a math problem, talk to a friend, or literally just move your arm, these neurons are passing electrical signals back and forth to each other. It's kind of like the world's fastest, largest game of telephone, right inside your skull. And when I say high speed, I mean super speed. Those electrical signals travel down your nerves at a whopping 150 to 260 miles per hour. That means your thoughts and the signals telling your body to move are zooming around faster than a top-speed racing sports car. No way, right? And because of all that rapid-fire electricity zipping around at hundreds of miles per hour, your brain is basically a tiny power plant. Just while you're awake, it generates enough real electrical power to light up a small LED bulb. So just by sitting there and thinking, you are quite literally lighting things up. Moving on to power number two, shape-shifting bones. To understand this one, we got to go back in time a little bit. When you were a tiny baby, you were born with around 300 bones. But the crazy part is, most of them weren't hard like they are now. They were actually made of this soft, flexible material called cartilage. If you want to know exactly what that feels like, just reach up and wiggle the tip of your nose right now. That bendy stuff, that is the exact same material those baby bones were made of. Now, what's really interesting about this is how the numbers change. You start with those 300 soft bones, but as you grow taller, those soft pieces harden, and a lot of them actually fuse together to make bigger, stronger bones. So by the time you're a fully grown adult, you'll have exactly 206 bones. You literally lose almost 100 bones growing up, just so your body can become stronger and more solid. Okay, power number three, the super pump heart. Put your hand flat over your chest for a second. Do you feel that steady thumping? That is your heart, the ultimate super pump. Its one and only job, every single second of the day, is to send blood absolutely everywhere it needs to go, from your fingertips all the way down to your toes. And it never, ever takes a break. Your heart beats a staggering 100,000 times a single day. If we add all that up, it equals around 35 million heartbeats in just 1 year. That is an unbelievable amount of pumping for one single muscle to handle. But wait, the massive numbers don't stop there. Think about the highway of blood your heart is pumping all that liquid through. If you took all the blood vessels in a single human body and lined them up end to end, they'd stretch for 60,000 miles. To put that into perspective, that distance is so ridiculously long, it would wrap entirely around the Earth, twice. And all of that is packed right inside you. Up next, power number four, a walking ecosystem. All right, brace yourselves for this one. You might look in the mirror and think you're 100% human. But before you get totally grossed out, I promise you have nothing to worry about. You are actually a walking home to trillions of microscopic creatures. But almost all of these trillions of microbes are the good guys. They're your invisible helpers. They live right in your tummy to help break down your food, and they cover your skin to act like tiny invisible shields against bad germs. And because there are so many of these little helpers all over you, they actually have a real measurable weight. If you collected all the bacteria in your body and put them on a scale, they'd weigh about 2 to 5 pounds. Imagine carrying around a big, heavy bag of sugar from the grocery store. That is the exact weight of the microscopic ecosystem you carry with you every single day. Finally, power number 5, quick-fire body superpowers. That's right, we are entering the lightning round. We're going to go rapid-fire through 3 more unbelievable facts about your body. Hold on tight. Lightning fact number 1. Humans are actually bioluminescent, which means you literally naturally glow in the dark. Your body emits its own natural light. Now, the only reason you don't look like a glowing firefly at night is because the light our bodies give off is 1,000 times weaker than our eyes can actually see. But scientifically speaking, you're glowing right now. Lightning fact number 2. Did you know you're constantly replacing your outside layer? Your body sheds its outer layer of skin cells every single day. Because of this nonstop shedding, you get a completely 100% brand new layer of skin about once every 28 days. You are constantly renewing yourself. And finally, lightning fact number 3, you have a super acid inside of you. The acid in your stomach that digests your food is so incredibly powerful, it could easily dissolve metal.
I know that sounds dangerous, but luckily your body is one step ahead. A special lining inside your stomach acts like a protective force field, keeping you totally safe from burning yourself from the inside out.
And all of this just brilliantly illustrates how spectacular you really are. Every single one of these amazing miracles, from the electricity in your brain to your fusing bones to your 60,000 miles of blood vessels and your glowing skin, is happening inside you right this second. You truly are a super-powered biological robot. So my question to you to wrap up this explainer is this: what will your superpowered body do next? And what other incredible secrets are just waiting to be discovered about yourself? Keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next explainer.